Welcome to Ravi Cookcraft. So today we are going to start new tutorial. So today's topic is introduction to HTML. Let's take a look at PPT. As you see here, when we are introducing to HTML, first we have to know what is HTML. So what is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language. So I will tell what is markup, what is hypertext. So wait. Okay, I will open this too. Okay, as you can see, we are on Google website page, and this is, I will tell what it is. So this is Google website page. So every day we will use this web page. So what is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language. If we divide it into two parts, first one is hypertext and second one is markup language. So what is hypertext? So if we consider here, this is a web page. So first of all, we will know what is web page. So what is web page? A web page is a document that consists of text, images, input search box, and table of contents. So in short, a web page is a document that consists of tables, images, and search box and table of contents. These are all elements. Text is a element, image is a element, this is input box, and these are table of contents. So these are all elements that combinedly make up a web page. So web page is a document that consists of different type of elements. So when we talk about hypertext, here you can see here Gmail is a text, images is a text, but these are this normal text? No, these are not normal text. I will show you why. So let's go to, so here if you see, there is a Gmail text, right? So this is a normal text, but when we are putting this text into a tag, this is going to be hypertext, because here we are using a tag to link this normal text to this link here, http.mail.google.com. so this is linking to Gmail. See, when we click on it, it is taking us to new web page, that is Gmail. So this is not a normal text, this is a text that is taking us to another web page or another link. So here Gmail is a normal text, but here Gmail is a hypertext, because this is taking us to another link, another website or another image, like that. So if we know now what is hypertext, right? So what is markup language? So markup language means these are languages that help us to build elements in a document. So if we consider this web page is a document and text is a element, image is a element, this input box is a element. So markup language helps us to add these elements into this web page. So one of these markup languages is HTML. Here if you see first line, here doc type HTML, what is telling is this is a document and its type is HTML. So there are so many markup languages, and one of them is HTML. So now we know what is a markup language and what is a hypertext, right? So if you look here, first is HTML is telling starting with HTML, ending with HTML. So this whole document enclosed within a HTML tag. What is tag? Tag means, here if you see, this is a left angle bracelet and this is a right angle bracelet. So anything that enclosed between left angle bracelet and right angle bracelet is a tag. So if we take here head is enclosed between left angle bracelet and right angle bracelet. So this is tag, not a normal text. So this is also HTML. All this text is enclosed within left angle bracelet and right angle bracelet. So this is this whole make up a tag. This whole make up tag. And if you see here, this left angle bracelet text, right angle bracelet, but here left angle bracelet / text, right angle bracelet. What is why we had / means it tells this is without backslash, this is the starting of the tag. With / it tells this is the end of the tag, like that only. If you see here, HTML tag don't have backslash, so this is a starting of the HTML tag. But if we see end of this code, here we have /HTML. This means it is the end of the tag. Likewise only, if we see head tag also opening tag, closing tag. If you see body tag also opening tag and closing tag. But some have or some don't have ending tag, only opening tag only. So we will look that into detail in other classes. So now I have introduced you to what is HTML. I mean, what is hypertext, what is markup language, what is web page, what are elements in web page, so what are tags, and what are opening and close tags. And also, if you look here, HTML tag have head tag and body tag. I will close this. So HTML tag only have head tag and body tag within this, but in head tag we have so many: meta tag, icon set tag, style tag, right? Why is this? Because head tag contains the information about our web page, but not elements of web page. What is information? I mean, here if we take a look here, this is the tab name. This is also tab, which is title of this page, and this is title of this page. So this is information. This is title of this page. This is title of this, but it does not have anything to content on this page. I will show you where title tag is placed. Here if you look here, title tag, and in here you should look here, we have text new tab. So this is a new tab, it means this page name is new tab. But here if you look, tools, developer tools, head tag, head tag, title. See this text here, this text is same. So this is title, means this is the web page name. So it is outside of the content of our web page. So that is why we divide it. If you keep this title tag here, it won't work, because title tag is a information about web page, not a content of the web page. So any information about web page, you should place it in a tag like this here. Meta tag, cat set UTF-8. You know what is cat set, right? Cat set. UTF-8 is a normal one, mostly used one. So if we see style tag, style has background, margin. This is CSS. We'll go in deeper into this in later classes. But for now, if we look here, background or image or border height, anything doesn't have anything with the contents on the page. Those are just those used to style our elements, not a content of the elements. So head tag contains most of the information of the web page, and body tag contains elements of web page. content of our web page. Like if you see, I will go to Gmail place, and we have a tag. Here we have Gmail. A tag is used to link our normal text to another page. Okay, so let's go back to PPT. Now if you look here, HTML is a hypertext markup language. Hypertext means a text which links or which takes us to another text or another web page or another place. That is hypertext. Markup language is a language which is used to build up elements of the web page. This is the foundation of every web page, right? If we don't have elements, what is the use of web page? So this HTML language is used to build elements of the web page. So it provides structure and content that makes up website on the internet. As I shown you, the contents are either text or images or input box or table of elements. Understanding HTML is essential for anyone looking to get started into web development. Yes, web development consists of HTML, CSS, Java, but first one we have to definitely learn is HTML, because if you don't have any elements on web page, what is the use of styling? Or Java should be used to actions, right? They give actions or take actions. So if without content we can't do anything, so anything is useless. So without HTML, that is the meaning of this sentence. And in HTML, we use tags to mark up elements of the web page. Tags are enclosed in angled brackets, such as the basic structure of HTML document consists of doc type. I have shown you, right? Doc type HTML, first line of the web page, and HTML tag, head tag, and body tag. So I have already explained about them. So let's go to this page. And within the body tag, you can add various HTML elements like headings, paragraph, links. So I will go deeper into these elements in future classes. By learning HTML, you will be able to create hyperlink, insert images, and build forms to collect user input. We have seen search boxes, so those are used to get input from the user. And hyperlinks like a Gmail, I have shown you, right? A text that takes us to another web page. And images, you have seen Google Image, right? So those HTML file introduces tags like header, nav, section, footer. So we will go deeper into this in future classes. So that is about today's HTML class. So in future we will learn about these elements in detail. So I hope you like content, and please like, share, subscribe. Let's meet in next class. Bye bye.